faded in this dark and smoky room. Way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but it don't.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel. This is Jyoti and this is another tutorial. I have created this classic purple glittery eyes which is perfect for all the party, wedding seasons. You can wear this to any occasions. This will add perfect glam to your eyes. I will link all of my social media down below so that you can tag me on my social media if you are planning to recreate this. Without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. First, I will take a gel liner and I will create an oval shape in my eyelid just shown in the video. I have taken a smudger brush and with the help of that I have picked up the black gel liner. Then I have taken a brown color from any palette that you have, you can pick, and with the help of a small blending brush you have to smudge the brown gel liner. Also, do not place the gel liner above your crease line, and once you are smudged the gel liner with the help of the brown, it should look like this on both of the eyes. Next, I'm going to take this beige kind of a shade and I'm going to blend above that brown color, and this will be my transition shade. Blend this properly so that everything looks melted into the skin. Once you are done with that, I'm gonna take a shimmery color. This is a silver shimmery color which has a purple undertone, and we are going to place it above that gel liner. Placing it above the gel liner will make sure the pigmentation comes really well. You can try this with other colors also. And now I'm going to take a purple color and I'm going to place it above that gel liner, and we are going to place it all over the place. And then I've taken a lash glue and also with the help of a small shader brush I'm going to pick a glitter and I'm going to place it above that purple. Make sure you concentrate the glitter on the middle part of your eyelid so that it gives a nice spark to your eyes, and it should look like this. And now I'm going to take a gel liner. This is by Nykaa. So we are going to do 2 layers of liner because one layer of liner won't be enough for the glitter and it won't be that long lasting. I have taken a gel liner brush which is an angular brush and I'm going to draw an eyeliner above my eyes, and little by little you want to draw it, and then I'm going to top it up with the help of a liquid liner. This is by Maybelline. This is such a nice liner. I just love using it. Hence you can see my eyeliner looks so much prominent. Now we are going to take care of our lower waterline. I'm taking a kohl pencil. This is by L'Oreal. This is by far one of the most creamiest formula I have used. And now I'm going to take a brown color shade and I'm going to smudge below that black kohl liner that we have applied, and we are going to smudge the edges of that kohl liner. It just looks very classy on the eyes. Now it's time for mascara. For mascara I have taken a mascara by Wet n Wild, and this is such a nice lengthening mascara. And now I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. For that I have taken my Wet n Wild highlighter, and with the help of a packed brush, small shader brush, we are going to place it. We are done with our makeup look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know how do you like this, and let me know what kind of a makeup look you want me to create. This is Jyoti signing off, and see you next week with a new video. Thank you.